I'm Dexter Donald Lulu, and this is Ideology of MMM. Now we lives in modern world. Rich man get richer, and poor man get poorer. Modern world is all about money. He shall control the world. Who are they? Bankers and financiers. Bankers and financiers, thousand times and more better lives than worker. Peasant or most ordinary people. Bankers and financiers produce money as much as they want. Worker, peasant or most ordinary people work hard, not necessarily earn money. Modern world is bad, inhuman, unfair and unjust. So what is the solution? The solution is MMM. What is MMM? MMM, Mavrodi Mundial Movement. Brief history of MMM. The idea to create MMM firstly in Russia in 1994, which used as a tool of assistance endowment program. MMM is a new generation of financial systems which aims to increasing welfare all members equally for the common good. MMM is a financial social network and has been running successfully in some countries. Purpose of the MMM systems: increasing prosperity, welfare all human beings of worldwide, to distribute money among all members so they have financial freedom, changing the modern financial system towards a more equitable and welfare for the whole society, creating a fair financial relationships between members. MMM system was created and championed by a humanitarian of Russia, a defender of the people. He is Sir Sergei P. Mavrodi. MMM communities in 3 years journey have about 35 million participants around the world. MMM is not a company, not a bank, not online business, not a HYIP, not MLM. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is a community where people give help each other. MMM is a community to find people who need help and people who are ready to provide help for free, voluntarily, and consciously without pressure. The benefit: join as an MMM participant. With extra program, get 100% per month. Get Mavro rate 30% per month. Minimum get 10% referral bonus. Get new friends. Get financial and time freedom. The benefit to be a MMM manager: get reward 30% per month of your provided help. With extra program, you will get reward 100% per month of your provided help. Get bonuses 10% of your referral provided help. Get managerial bonuses 1 to 5% member provide help. New friends, financial freedom, passive income, time freedom, good career. Bank versus MMM. 3% per year the bank offer, and MMM provide 30% per month. Which one you will choose? So that's why many people join to MMM. Why should I join to MMM? Because MMM, a system of mutual aid funds, a financial social network, your key to get financial freedom, running online, does not sell goods, services, does not collecting money's member, does not have a competitor. There is no guarantee in MMM. MMM systems requires mutual trust among all members. Honesty and transparency in the MMM systems. How the MMM system work. Provide help and get help. Buy Mavru and sell Mavru. All transaction by systems. How MMM system work? You provide help first, and you could getting help later. If you provide help $100 today, 1 month later you could getting help $130. Get MMM extra. If you provide help $100 today, 1 month later you could get help $200. It means 100% per month. Where are reward 30% to 100% get from? Reward are from other participants that get help or sell Mavru directly. That's all. Thank you.